So the LED light box project is going along pretty well. Soft starter's in place, still a few adjustments here and there, but basically working pretty well. But thanks to Great Scott, or a video that Great Scott did recently, I'm a little concerned about the connections in there, which are just actually bare wires that have been soldered, and that could be a problem for the future. So I'm looking to do proper connections here, but first I have to learn how to do that. Probably got to learn how to do this crimping stuff properly. Recently took delivery of the crimping device, and as well as some various types of crimpers, which come along with, and they come along in different sizes as well. So I've just got a piece of wire here. My initial tries at this were hilarious. So I'm going to try and do a little bit better. First thing I'm going to do is strip back a section of wire on both sides, and already I see issues. Maybe do this a little bit better. Yeah, you can see a little bit pokey outy, some of those. Maybe that's my technique. So what I'll do is I'll just cut Mr. Whiskers off here, on this side and on this side. Okay. So I'm going to do one side in black and one side, well, let's do both sides in black, why not? Two popped out. Okay, so apparently they go in here. Oh, they close up pretty quick. There's various adjustments on here. I'm not sure what that's about. Yeah, I guess that's affecting the size of it. I guess you have to pull that out first. It's got a positive and a negative written here. I assume that means something, but I'm not sure what. It says AWG237 from 0.25 to 10 millimeters. I guess that's 8. I don't really know. It's all a bit of a mystery. But anyway, let's put this guy in here, I guess. Does it go all the way through? Yeah, it goes all the way through. So you have to clamp it at the appropriate level. Let's go clampy here. Yep. And then poke Mr. Wire in. How far, I don't know. Oh yeah, so it doesn't quite go all the way through, which is good. And then squeeze. Oh, that's a satisfying noise. Hey, that's pretty good. Okay, let's have a look at the other. I'm just going to do a little bit of twist here on this other end. Again, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but anyway, it seems to work. So pop that in. Yep. And then clamp it a little bit. Looks good. Poke this guy in through. How far does it go through? Oh, just a little bit out, so we'll try that. Just come back a little bit, and satisfying crunch. And that one's good. Now, important thing, have we got continuity? So audible continuity is what I'm looking for. Let's try this one. Connect these two together, and what do we get? Nice. Okay. Now I'll slot this guy on this end. No good crimping if they don't talk to each other. Ooh, a little bit exciting. Possibly the wrong probes. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So that does seem to be the method. And what I'll do now is I'll do this light box, the old LED box, and see if that works. I won't be able to light that while I'm doing it, ironically, so we'll just come back at the end and see if that's worked well. Clamps in place, looking good, but do they conduct? Well, it looks lovely. Quite an improvement, actually. Probably would have gone with a smaller size in hindsight. Shoehorned them in there a little bit, but the proof is maybe, yeah, look at that. back to working pretty well and with lovely new shoes. That is the circuit working for this week. It's a short one, but yeah, I think I might be crimping everything now. It'll be like one of those label guys. Crimp everything, and see you next time.